Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ilona and today I will be showing you an altered playing card. And this playing card was actually, let's say I tried out some techniques and it was a yucky card. And I thought, can I make from a really bad background, can I make something new? So that's what I did. This background started out with book paper and then some stamping. I tried some stenciling on it and I put on a really yucky green color. I have no clue what I was thinking, but anyways. I had this prompt for a challenge, and the prompt is: if you want to fly, you got to give up the things that weigh you down. And that's so true. Sometimes you have to let things go in order to move on. I stamped my 3 birds onto tissue paper, and my tissue paper came out of a shoebox, so it didn't cost me anything. I'm tearing the tissue paper as close to my image as I can, because if I cut it, it has straight lines and they don't disappear in my background as well as if I tear my paper, but you really need to be careful because it's really thin. So when I have done that, I'm placing it on my card with Mod Podge, and I also go over it with Mod Podge. And after that, I started thinking I didn't like the green background and I really wanted something else. So I putting on some gesso, some white gesso. I'm doing it with my finger because that's when it fades away more and I don't have harsh lines. So I'm bouncing around till I have the effect that I want. I'm sorry to say I lost a piece of footage, so I'm gonna tell you what I did. When the gesso was dry, I picked up a harlequin stamp. I stamped with distress ink, and the colors that I used were, let's see, peacock feathers. The pinkish lilac color that you see is actually picked raspberry, so it's a really bright pink, but it kind of smoothed into my background. I loved how that turned out. I also think I used a little bit crushed olive and maybe some squeezed lemonade, but I'm not sure about that. It went on really smooth and I did it with a makeup sponge. And then I also put a line of golden glitter glue around my card, and I stamped out a little crown that I had also on tissue paper, and I added that on the head of my middle bird because he's wearing a crown and it's weighing him down and he cannot fly. That's the idea. And I also printed out my quote on my computer and cut it into pieces, and then I just glued it on. And I love this finished card. It's kind of springy and mysterious with the colors. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.